Hello, I've got another business opportunity you can easily do with builderall, okay? And builderall offers something called script generator. And this is where it literally makes a script for you for any niche. So let's say health and fitness, alright? Health and fitness, and then it has more story scripts, and then it has this, alright? So there's something already made for you, right? Already made for you. And what could you use this for? Well, you can sell scripts to people. You see how quick that took? Alright, so let's say on Fiverr, you could do the same thing. Look at this. Look at this. I'll be your professional video script, right, for your business videos, starting at 64. Starting at 17. This is in pounds, but you know, convert to dollars, so that's roughly $80. I might be wrong. But you see how easy this could be. If you make this that quick, that's easily a couple hundred a day, 100%. So get builderall, links in the description, free trial, and try this out. Tell me how it goes. Thank you.